Hello YouTube, back with another video, and this is going to be a startup and shutdown of my sister's window air conditioner, and I think the bearings are going bad in this one. I'm not sure, but I'll let you listen. Yeah, it kind of starts off rough. Anyway, it's set to 68. It's got some leaves in there, also a lizard. So I'll wait until the compressor kicks on for y'all. There it goes. Ooh, nice and cold. I don't know why she keeps it so cold in here, but yeah. It's not my air conditioner to mess with, so I like it pretty cold myself. Well, that's it. The Black Arctic King window air conditioner. And more to come later.